We have an apartment with not much space for anything more than we already have. So I'm very conscious of any decision to buy something new. Also because I'm not a big fan of clutter either. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I aim to bring you everything from minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. I haven't been very regular with my uploading the past 2 weeks because I've been a little unwell, as you can hear from the sound of my voice, but I am back on track now. The last thing I want to do is to contribute to the mindless consumption of things that end up in the landfill. So where do we start? Take the time to ask yourself that question and wait for the answer. State it out loud or write it down if necessary. If you're already at a mall with dress in hand, put it down and take a break. See if it's still calling your name half an hour later or even the next day. And sometimes all you need to do is just say no to yourself. Before you head out shopping or onto the internet, make sure you don't already own something that can do the job. A shopping trip in your own home can turn up wonders. Possibly finding a nice pair of earrings or shoes you forgot about at the back of the closet, or any number of things that might be hiding in your home. And this brings me to point number 3. Decluttering and rearranging household items will give you a chance to get rid of things you no longer require and allowing you to rediscover things you had forgotten about. Having a designated spot for everything gives you order and structure and does not frustrate you when you're looking for a specific item, whether this is a piece of clothing or a kitchen utensil. I'm very particular about this, and from a very young age I wanted everything to be neat and orderly. To the extent that I would refold clothes that my mother had already folded or remake the bed she had just made. The Marie Kondo method was introduced to the world. I was like, anyways, I'm completely sidetracking. Point number 4. Plan your shopping wisely, make lists, and don't shop while tired, hungry, or feeling blue. Skip window shopping if it's too tempting, or treat it like a trip to the museum, just for looking and not buying. Instead of purchasing disposable items such as plastic wrap, foil, or paper towels over and over again, go for well-made reusable versions. There are so many great options these days. I'm also a big fan of multitasking products. Why buy 2 products when you only need 1? And for many cleaning products, you can even make your own chemical-free ones. Whenever possible, pay more for high-quality products rather than inexpensive versions. This goes for clothing items, kitchen utensils, and anything else. You'll be much happier with it in the long run, being able to get much more use out of each item. You've probably heard of the new sharing economy, but have you participated in it yet? From car sharing like Uber or borrowing tools from your neighbor, it helps avoid the purchase of large and expensive items for use just a handful of times. One thing we all forget to do is to take time to be grateful for the things we have. Next time that uncontrollable urge to shop hits, take a stroll around your house and appreciate the useful, valuable, and pretty things you already have. It may be difficult or even silly initially, but it all becomes second nature very quickly until you no longer have those urges to incessantly shop. I hope you'll try implementing some of these techniques, and as always, until next time, be the change you want to see.